How to change your gender to female on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your gender easy and quick. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and now click the story points, and once you're here click edit profile and scroll down, click personal info, and here you will find the gender. Click on it and click female and click save, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.